Hello there guys, and welcome back to another video with us here at Jason's Guitar School. So today what we're going to be learning is a new song called Halo. This is the song here. So it's going to be using that 4-beat modern style strumming pattern that we learned in Stay With Me, as well as all 4 of your beginner chords, G, D, E minor and C. Also today what I'm going to show you is how to start changing from chord to chord a little bit faster to get that speed in a song. So let's get started. We have our first chord G. So that's your second box 5, next box 6 and 1. And it starts off with a down pause. Then we have that middle section, down, down, up, up, down. And then at the very end, down, up, down, up. Then you're straight into your next chord D. So it's second box, strings 3 and 1, next box number 2. And we start off with that down pause. Then you're down, down, up, down. Finish with 4 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then into easy E minor. You should know this one off by heart by now. Down pause. Down, down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then your last one C. So starting box 1, string 2. Next box 4. Next box number 5. And down pause. Down, down, up, down. And your 4 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that played all together goes. And if you were to count the beats along, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, so that's a 4-beat song. Tempo then is different. Tempo is how fast you go. Beats are how many times you can tap your foot before changing a chord. Tempo is how fast you're tapping that foot. Now, so changing from chord to chord. We'll start off with something easy. So getting in or out of E minor is always fairly easy. It is the easiest chord. So we'll start off with D. As the chord progression goes, G, D, E minor. So D is your chord you're going to start in. So you want your fingers to know where they're going. So give it 1 strum on D, and then 1 strum in E minor. And do that a couple of times. So back into D, taking your time, D, and as fast as you can, E minor. And do it until you can get a 1, 2 timing. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then what you can do is the end of the strumming pattern for D, and the start of the strumming pattern for E minor. So in D, you're giving it 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor, pause. And again, so your D, 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor, pause. So what you're doing there is connecting them together. So you're doing the end of the strum pattern for one chord and straight into the start of the strum pattern for the second chord. And when you're comfortable doing that, then you put in the full strum pattern for D and E minor. So D goes down, 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 up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor. Down, down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that's the same with all of the chords when you're going from E minor to C. You start off with that single strum. So level 1 is just 1 strum, 1 strum, 1 strum, 1 strum. Then the end of the strumming pattern for E minor. Start for C. 1, 2, 3, 4, C pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, C pause. That's your level 2. Then the level 3 is the full strumming pattern, connect them together. Now, the more material you add in, the more confused your fingers are going to get. So the slower you're going to have to play. Don't think because you're getting these level by level parts correct, you're going to be able to go faster and faster. The opposite is true. The more you're going to do, the slower you're going to have to strum to keep up. And there's no problem with that. Strum as slow as you need to once you're connecting those chords together. The biggest problem is if you strum really fast, stop to change chords. It just sounds terrible and it's a bad habit to get into. So really slow strumming, connect those chords together. So even if it takes you a second or two to change chords, if you slow down the strumming, it won't sound like you're stopping at all. It'll sound just like the natural rhythm of the song. So that's it for today, guys. That's your song, Halo, there it is one more time, G, D, E minor, C, with the 4-beat modern style strumming pattern. Screenshot or write it down. And I will see you again next week for your next lesson, where we will be learning Don't Stop Believing by Journey. Okay guys, I'll see you then.